yeah, and you know, and stuff like that. But you know, if you got it in different parts of the world, it could be different causes. You know, some might be a virus, another might be environmental conditions or something like that. Some, yeah, due to pollution or other, could be man-made, something that's man-made that causes it to die or something like that. But yeah, in the same local area, yes, I'd really be worried. At first, when I heard the story, it kind of did raise my eyebrow because then they start mentioning other places. But if you really look into it, there's more to it than, more to it than, the Earth's coming to an end or, that type of stuff. But, but to have reports from all over makes it outside man-made causes. Okay, so you think if it's different reports all over the world, it's something outside it's man-made that's causing this. I guess that's what you're trying to say. Yeah, I mean, there's different causes, or some might be an effect, like pollution. Pollution may not kill them off. It'll just weaken them enough where a virus comes in and completely obliterates a species. But okay, that was my first topic I kind of want to throw out today's show. So yeah, you can think of the dinosaurs and what did that pesky meteor. So of course that was environment. I guess you would call that environmental. Or did they? It's aliens, man. It's aliens. Well, you'd be surprised, even though, mankind has messed up and, nature is pretty flexible. That can, it can find a way, it might kill us off, but, it might find a way to survive, like viruses, or, lower celled organisms, like, supposedly there's drugs that will kill them, but then they'll find like drug resistant strains come out and things like that. So, excuse me. Okay, another news topic article I also wanted to cover today. I was going to wait till Wednesday, but I figure I'll throw it out today because I already advertised it on Twitter. But recently we had the Apple Store. No, it's not the Apple Store. Apple came out with their new Mac App Store. And well, I don't know, not everybody owns a Mac, but I found a couple articles, and there's some pros and cons with that. And now probably what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to give you a screencast for you guys that don't know what that doesn't know what it looks like, and I'll try to do a quick screencast of the Mac App Store so you guys can see that. It'll just take me roughly about a minute or so, and we'll put it up there for you to show you what it looks like, and then I'll go through some more stuff about it. So if I can remember how to do this, oh my gosh. And the cat is bothering me big time. Let me see, where is that? Desktop presenter, where is that? Oh, I'm gonna have to. I should have started the App Store first, and then Desktop Presenter. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Gonna try this one more time. Should be able to show now. Ah, it's not really. It's being stingy. And let me go ahead and take my. I'll try to get this thing to work. I'm just trying to capture the window for the. I might could just do a whole desktop capture, and you guys can see that a little bit easier, maybe. The Wirecast at Tom Center. Why it's not showing? Okay, let's do it this way. I'll just be real quick. Oh, it's showing now. There we go. Oops. Oh, it was showing. That's funny. I had the whole oh, that was a mistake. That's being a putz. Being a putz on me. And okay, I'll just do it real. Okay, we'll just do it this way. It doesn't matter if it's the whole window or not. So let me go ahead and switch it. I'll switch that for you guys. Audio. Sorry about that, guys. I forgot this new stupid. This is what the App Store looks like. And I guess if you look here at the top, I know it's hard to see. It says featured, top charts, categories, purchases, and updates. And I figure I'll just give you a quick showing what it looks like. And let me go ahead and put it back on. Okay, I just figured it'd be fun you guys to see. Of course, it's for the guys that don't really run Mac or Windows. It's not necessarily, I'm not really here to go over the features per se, but rather, you know, there's like some pros or cons with it. There's some people that don't like the idea of having an app store. And let me go ahead and bring up my other display window. You know what? I was thinking about it myself. I mean, I'd probably have to really use it and see it and, you know, get my thoughts on it. But initially, there are a few good things I think come out the Central Mac App Store. And if you're running, like, let's say, with the, of course, on the Mac side, if you're running the MacBook Air, okay, which doesn't come with a CD-ROM drive, so yes, if you're in a network, you can. Now, I think it might have to be another Mac computer, though. I don't know if you can do it with a PC. I don't know if that's you could do that or not. Maybe. I haven't really tried it. So you got to have a way to easily install programs. So in that case, a Mac App Store might actually be good in that case. Or yes, you can, if you're in a network, perhaps running another Mac, you can install programs that way through there. You can use another computer's, you know, DVD or CD-ROM drive, I guess that's what you would say. Hold on, I got a kitty, I gotta... Yeah, sorry about that. The stupid cat doesn't stop meowing and everything else until I let it out. Sometimes love my cats, but hate them sometimes. Let me see. Now where was I till I was rudely interrupted? No, it's well fed. Believe me. In fact, I think it's a little bit overweight. That particular cat, anyway. It's kind of like Garfield times 10. No, I'm just kidding. Now, there's actually a pretty good article, and let me see if I can find it on here. I'm going to have to bring up another tab. I did in there, Kenner Mick. I'm just bringing up another. And I can't remember the exact article. Oh, wait a minute. I have it bookmarked here. All right, here we go. Now, this is on Lifehacker. This is that's the name of the website. And they actually have two articles. Why the Mac App Store sucks. That's one. And on the other one, why you might really like the Mac App Store in the long run. Now, I think there's some people that think that, you know, they are trying to shift toward the iPhone, iPad, the way they do their software, where you can only get it through the, you know, their store. Well, you know, I guess in those two items, yes, you do, unless you jailbreak it, I suppose. So I guess they're afraid that, you know, if they do it also for the Mac computers, that, you know, they're going to have to do everything entirely through the store. I don't really see it in this case, because if they really did it that way, you'd have a lot of people pretty mad, I think. And I would be too, though. They shifted to an all, you know, software through their store, I guess. And let me read, I think, wait a minute, there was, okay. So let me go over the things, since I was interrupted by the cat. So one of the reasons I thought it was a good idea is for the computers that don't have the CD, DVD, ROM drive, a way you can install it easier. And I think there was another reason, and I wish I wrote it down. I can't even remember what it was now. Okay, let me go ahead and I'll go through these articles and list some of the things. Now, this, I guess, is why the App Store sucks, I guess, is one of the things on here. Now, you can, with this new App Store, you can. What's nice about it, if you buy apps from there, you can. It's very easy to update, because obviously, if you just buy it through the internet or CD-ROM or DVD or whatever, is you have to open each one up separately and update it that way or through the website. It is kind of nice to be able to have a central area where you can update all apps at the same time. And which is kind of like, I guess, the iPhone does that, and I guess the iPad, I don't really have one, but okay, you will not see Adobe or Microsoft Play on the Mac App Store. Now, actually, I asked the same question. I did have Bruce Naylor, Frugal Tech, on Wednesday. I asked him the same question, and he said that it would be there would be problems with bigger software companies such as Adobe, Microsoft. I don't know. That's the different. Oh, that's right. They do have some Mac software. I think it's Microsoft Office and things like that. So, Bruce Naylor said that you could say that some of the larger companies are going to have problems because it would be against the Apple's. You know, there's certain ways you have to apply for their stores, and they said, you know, originally the way they are, they can't, you know, compete. But he was thinking that they would make a few exceptions or something just because of the way they have to sell their software or something like that. But yeah, I would say that too. Now, I know there's like okay, Microsoft Office for Mac. I think QuickBooks as well. I think recently they came out with a new version too. Office 11, I think, for Mac, I believe. Okay, but to be able to use the update, you actually have to buy the app from the store. So if you already own it and it happens to be in the App Store, you cannot update it automatically through the store. Everything's got to be, you know, bought through the store to get the free update through their, you know, the App Store, I guess. Now, on this one, it says you'll have to repurchase many of your apps. This is one of the articles I read. And I think one of the questions, the biggest question on everybody's mind is, can I take advantage of the App Store if I already purchased an app? And I guess the answer